If you're intrigued by superfoods, the name, spirulina, likely rings a bell. This blue-green algae, commonly found in freshwater, might not immediately spark your appetite, given its pond surface origins. However, don't dismiss it just yet, especially when it comes to spirulina, the safe and consumable form. Consider these 5 compelling reasons to incorporate spirulina into your daily regimen. 1. Shields against liver cancer. Scientific exploration has unveiled spirulina's remarkable potential in safeguarding against liver cirrhosis, damage, and failure. Emerging from a study published in the Nutrition Journal, it's apparent that spirulina's proficiency in eliminating free radicals, detrimental to the liver, coupled with its metal detoxifying capabilities, is conducive to both liver and brain health. 2. Nurtures brain wellness. Embracing a daily spoonful of spirulina is believed to fortify the brain against afflictions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. A comparative study pitted spirulina against antioxidant-rich foods like blueberries and spinach, both renowned for their brain-supportive attributes, due to inflammation reduction and free radical elimination. Moreover, research underscores spirulina's potential to enhance cognitive function and protect against deterioration, potentially boosting productivity and focus. 3. Elevates muscle strength and stamina. Oxidative damage resultant from physical exertion contributes to muscle fatigue. Enter spirulina, a plant-based source abundant in antioxidants capable of mitigating or curbing this concern. Studies further advocate spirulina's role in enhancing both endurance and muscle potency. 4. Bolsters immunity, tackles cancer. Insight from animal and test tube studies, as cited by UMMC, University of Maryland Medical Center, highlights spirulina's ability to amplify antibody production, immune-boosting proteins, and other cells vital in countering infections and chronic illnesses, including cancer. 5. Regulates blood sugar. Spirulina's proficiency extends to regulating blood sugar levels. Supported by animal studies, spirulina consumption exhibits potential to lower blood sugar, rivaling conventional diabetes medications like metformin. In a separate trial, participants with type 2 diabetes, who consumed 2 grams of spirulina daily for 2 months, experienced noteworthy reductions in blood sugar levels. Incorporating spirulina, the how-to, blending spirulina into foods, comes as the simplest method. While ingesting a spoonful with water is an option, the acquired taste might deter some. Overcome this hurdle by incorporating spirulina into smoothies, juices, soups, or dips. By doing so, you can unlock its full range of benefits minus the taste challenge. This concludes today's insights. I trust you found value in this content. If so, please show your support with a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Looking forward to connecting again in the next installment. Thank you for tuning in.